Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Wild Game Cooking with Second Habit Outdoors. On this week's episode, we're going to show you how to make a simple venison breakfast quesadilla. To start things off, we cooked and sliced our venison. If you want to see how we prepare the meat, you can check out the link in the description below. Next, we cracked 2 eggs into a small bowl. Then added 2 tablespoons of milk, and lastly added some salt and pepper. Using a fork, stir everything together thoroughly. Now your eggs are ready for the pan. Next, pour your eggs into a medium pan. For this recipe, basic scrambled eggs will work just fine, so that's how we cooked our eggs. Next, in a pan on medium heat, place down a tortilla and cover with your scrambled eggs. Next, you can add in your desired amount of meat to the top of the eggs. We then added a healthy amount of cheese. Lastly, we added our favorite salsa. Of course, this is optional and you can always leave off to the side if you're not a fan of salsa. Finally, top with another tortilla and cook until it's golden brown. Depending on the size burner you have, sometimes it helps to move the quesadilla around so it doesn't burn or overcook in one area. When it comes time to flip the quesadilla, using a plate can really help you so you don't lose all the contents from the inside of the quesadilla. Continue cooking the other side until it's golden brown, and then it'll be ready to serve. Thank you for checking out the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe up in the top left, or check out more wild game cooking videos on the right.